If you're encountering a TikTok error, video contains harmful content, you can try the following solutions. Here are some possible ways to fix the TikTok error: video contains harmful content. Follow these steps. 1. Carefully review your video content. Thoroughly review your video content to ensure it doesn't violate TikTok's community guidelines, which prohibit posting videos that promote or depict dangerous or harmful activities. This includes videos that promote or depict self-harm, drug abuse, illegal activities, or violence, hateful or discriminatory content. This includes videos that promote or depict violence, hatred, or discrimination against individuals or groups based on their race, ethnicity, religion, gender, sexual orientation, or other protected characteristics, exploitation, abuse, or endangerment of children. This includes videos that depict or promote child sexual abuse, child exploitation, or any other form of harm to children. 2. Remove any harmful elements. If you find any harmful elements in your video, such as instructions or encouragement for dangerous activities, hateful or discriminatory language, or scenes of violence or abuse, remove them before re-uploading the video. 3. Edit your video to remove harmful content. If your video contains harmful content without clear warnings or disclaimers, edit the video to add appropriate warnings and disclaimers. This could involve adding text overlays, voiceovers, or other visual cues to inform viewers of the potential risks associated with the content. 4. Appeal the error to TikTok. If you believe that your video was incorrectly flagged for containing harmful content, you can appeal the error to TikTok. To do this, go to your video's Insights page and tap the Appeal button. 5. Contact TikTok support. If you've tried all of the above steps and are still experiencing the error, contact TikTok support for further assistance. Here are some additional tips to avoid getting the video contains harmful content error. Be mindful of the content you upload. Avoid posting videos that promote or depict dangerous, harmful, or hateful content. Remember that TikTok has a zero-tolerance policy for such content. Provide context and warnings. If your video covers sensitive or potentially harmful topics, provide context and warnings to inform viewers about the content's nature. Avoid encouraging or glorifying harmful activities. Don't encourage or glorify dangerous, illegal, or harmful activities in your videos. Report harmful content. If you see harmful content on TikTok, report it immediately to the platform. This helps TikTok identify and remove harmful content from the platform. Follow TikTok's community guidelines. Familiarize yourself with TikTok's community guidelines to ensure your videos comply with their policies. By following these guidelines and creating responsible, safe, and positive content, you can minimize the risk of encountering the video contains harmful content error and contribute to a more positive and supportive TikTok community. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe Techsor for more videos.